Hey everybody, Awesome Cubing here. Today, I have an unboxing from Puzzlecrate. So, in here we have the 3x3x5 T cube, and then we have the Galaxy Cosmic Lubricant. I'm gonna do the Galaxy Cosmic Lubricant. Let's go into that. This silicone-based lubricant is a one-size-fits-all solution and is super easy to apply with just a few drops. If you want to speed up your puzzle while adding a moderate, gummy, long-lasting feel, this is for you. Take the next step and enhance the performance of your puzzle. So, yeah. Alright, let's get this out. So, this is the Galaxy Cosmic Lube. So, we're going to test this in a bit. Okay, so this is the 3x3x5 T cube. The T cube is a member of the 3x3x5 Cube series by Calvin's Puzzle and was co-designed by Evgeny. However, this is no ordinary T cube. The green plastic version is a Puzzlecrate exclusive that you can't get anywhere else. That makes this particular puzzle quite rare. So, let's get a look at the puzzle. So, in here, it comes with a little stand. And here, the puzzle. Alright. Okay, let's take a look at this puzzle. So, from what we saw on the paper, this green color that I have is actually exclusive only to Puzzlecrate. So that's really sweet. So yeah, the turning is pretty nice, and it's cool. Like it's a cool shape. So let's try checkerboard pattern on this. There you go. Checkerboard pattern on the Calvin's 3x3x5 T cube. So yeah, this is pretty much the cube. Pretty nice. Okay. So here I have my Yushin Little Magic 3x3 that I magnetized with the cubicle magnets. It's like you can see with like a little look there. So it's good, but it's not a super, like, I don't know. It feels super duper dry when I turn it. So I'm just gonna go in and add some of this lube and see what it does. It said 4 drops. Let's do 1. So this is ooh, yeah. So immediately with just 1 drop, it's faster and gummier. Okay, so let's add some more. Okay. Yeah, so like it said, it's adding a moderate gumminess to it, and it also speeds it up quite a bit actually. So yeah, this is really nice. So yeah, that's what I think for this lube. So here's the Galaxy Cosmic Lubricant. I'm back with the cube, and let's do a solve on this. yeah, this is definitely an improvement. That was a horrible solve, by the way. But yeah, this is definitely an improvement. The lube was really nice, and yeah. So, this is my unboxing from Puzzlecrate. So, yeah, of the 3x3x5 T-Cube and the Galaxy Cosmic Lube. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!